Hi, welcome back. Now on the third phase we are going to select all the actions that are enough for us to have a beta version of our solution, of the deliverable of the project. But what means a beta version? A beta version is a version that you can get it to somebody and they can use it. This phase is critical to the project because it's the first time when you start getting real feedback from the final client, from whoever is going to benefit out of the output of the project. If it is an internal project, then that's also fine, because you can select somebody and that is going to be the beneficiary of that project and can give you an honest opinion about how it is before you actually release it. So in my situation, I have the mobile application. What I'm going to do, I will select all the actions, all the deliverables that are not that critical, and I will mark them as beta. So in that phase of my project, I will have it delivered for the ones who are going to try my application or your service, depending what you want. So now take exactly 3 minutes and select what are the actions that you will need to do to release a version of your final deliverable that is going to be very close to the final one. Then take 3 minutes and we'll see you after. Beta version. It may sound very software specific, so I will start with showing you what exactly I include in my beta version. For example, the password recovery module is a functionality that I will have available as part of the beta version, but I will leave things like the website for later, and that is going to be version 1, is going to be the next class. If you have a class to teach apples, then your beta version is going to be all the actions that you need to do in order to deliver that class to a small group of students, or maybe to one group of students, and your full project is to deliver that class to the entire school, which would be 10-20 groups of students. And or you may want to select just 5 students from all the school and to give them the class and ask them for feedback. This is what I recommend doing. If you are studying for an exam, then your beta version will be to get a simulation of that exam. Let's say you are still in the process of studying and you still want to improve your knowledge, but before you go to the actual exam, you want to run some certain simulations. So you go online and you search for simulations for the exams, and these are going to be your beta version actions. At this stage, you're supposed to have these actions already there. So the only thing you need to do as part of this exercise is to put this beta version on the right side of your action. If you have a website, you would want to have a version that will be enough good so you can ask for feedback from your friends. Let's say you may not have the full instructions on how to pay by card, but everything else is fine, so you can get in touch with some possible clients that can give you feedback on your website.